Hi guys, this is lesson number 2. So we're going to continue writing one of our ideas. So I went ahead and chose the one for phones. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with little pictures. Now you can do bigger pictures, but we're not going to take up all the space of our writing. So when I talk about pictures of the phone apps, I was like, okay, I'm going to do the picture one first. So like I can crop the pictures, I can change the tone of the picture, like changing it to black and white, or I can make it brighter or darker. I can put text on top of it, like type on top of it, and then I can paint on top of it with my finger. So I did little pictures, like of the icons that I can do after I snap a picture. So I could write about how to take a picture. I could do a selfie. I could do pictures of my friends. Do you see how I can write a lot about just that one thing about taking a picture? Now, that's what I'm going to write about on this one page. Now, on the next page, you see how I wrote one small icon? On this one, I'm going to talk about the Play Store. Now, in the Play Store, I could talk about all the different apps that I've ordered. Maybe I play Candy Crush, or maybe I play a different game on my phone, and I'm going to make a list of some of the games that I play. Maybe I want to draw a picture of the game that I play, and I'm going to describe what the game's like and how to play it. If I think of another game I play, I could list that one and then list that out and how to play it. On the next page, I'm going to talk about Facebook and all the different things that I could do on Facebook. So I'm going to write all of my groups of friends. I can write about how some people do sales on Facebook. I'm going to write about how they have polls and maybe different activities that I see videos on Facebook. So I'm going to write everything that I know about Facebook and activities that I do on Facebook, maybe even Messenger, how I can talk to my friends through the private messenger there. Okay, and then lastly, but not least, I put text messages. You guys see these little bubbles when you talk to your friends, right? You send your friend a text and then they get a little speech bubble and then I get a little speech bubble, and you can even send a GIF. I can explain what a GIF is, right? Who doesn't love a GIF? I love GIFs. It's like when your friend sends those funny little faces that are actually moving. So what I'm going to do on each page, you're going to turn the pages and you're going to talk. You're going to say, on this page, I'm going to write about the pictures and all of the things that I can do with the camera and the pictures. On this page, I'm going to talk about the Play Store, the games that I could do on the phone. How do I play the games? On this page, I'm going to talk about Facebook, the different things that I do on Facebook, maybe the posts that people put on Facebook. And last but not least, I'm going to talk about the text messages. Now, do I expect you to do the phone? Absolutely not. Remember, it's your topic. So if you're doing it about gardening, I could write about different plants. I could write about the soil. I could write about how to care for a plant. If you're writing about planning a party, well, let's think about it. My first page could be about ordering supplies. The next page, it could be how to decorate for the party. The next page could be making the invitations. The next page could be about either ordering the cake or making the cake. This is the fun part, guys. You're planning out your writing, and then once you actually plan it out, you sit down and you start writing a page. So like, I look at my pages today and I'm like, which one do I think is going to be the most fun to get started on? And I love getting on Facebook. So guess which one I'm going to write right now? I'm actually going to sit and I'm going to write my Facebook page. All right, guys, have fun with this. Bye.